everyone, this is Hannah with Dana Girls Designs, and this is part 3 video showing where I am finishing up the cover of the photo album that I'm making for my sister. So I took, it wasn't a doily, it was like a knitted thing that you button up around your neck, like a little, not quite like a shawl, but I don't know what it's called, like a collar. So I cut that to kind of, and positioned it on the cover. Now I'm picking out the colors of the flowers that I want to use on the cover. Just gonna go with some whites and blues. Give it some pops of yellow in there as well. And then I had also bought some little buttons and little embellishments of woodland creatures, deer, owls, some little snails that I thought would be really cute on there. She's designing his room in like a woodlands creatures theme, so I thought these would be perfect. She could maybe sit the photo album on the dresser, or on a nightstand or something and go through it. So I thought that would be really nice. And I'm just gluing this doily / collar down. And I'm using the Aleene's Tacky Glue. I really like that best. And I'm just gluing the embellishments down, the flowers and the little button pieces. And I'm just going to let you watch this, and I'll come back when we get to the next section of embellishing the cover. So I hope you enjoy the music and watching the steps on laying down the embellishments and everything. So here I am punching holes through the fabric where the holes in the chipboard is, so that I can put it back on the spiral bound, the spirals of the book. So I'm taking my X-Acto knife, and because when that Mod Podge dries, it hardens. So I'm just kind of punching through it, and punching holes at each hole in the book cover. Now I am putting the cover back on the spiral, whatever it's called. It's a little tricky at first trying to get it on there, but I managed to get it on there. Now I'm going to take some foam adhesive and cut little places and glue them down to the backs of the two chipboard frames and put it on the cover. And I'm trying to move it as far out as possible, so that way I've got plenty of room to tuck in the photo. And then also to make it easy for if she wants to change out the photos, she can.